Okay, good morning 10th class student. Let us continue from where we had left yesterday. I am repeating the last line. After that, you all may pay attention. Okay, the last line was this, that is, Greece had been part of the Ottoman Empire. Is it clear, everyone? Greece had been. Now, come to page number 13, all of you. Page number 13, third paragraph. This is the third revolution about which we are talking. Greece had been, come to the second line, Greece had been the part of Ottoman Empire, comma, next line, nationalism in Europe, right over there, led to a same line, struggle for independence. In 1821, same line, full stop. Next line, nationalists in Greece, right over there, were. Same line, support is there, make it supported. Were supported from Greeks living in exile, as, write as, leave a line, see the word Greece, as Greece, right over there, was considered the cradle of civilization, full stop. Next line, the English poet Lord Byron organized funds to fight in the war where he died. Full stop. Finally, next line, finally, by the treaty, right over there, by the Treaty of Constantinople, 1832, Greece, right over there, became an independent nation. Independent nation. Next heading, romantic imagination and national feelings. First point, culture. Second line, culture. Art. Next line, art, poetry, stories, music. Right over there, one line, played an important role in. Played an important role in. In the next line, shape is given over there, make it shaping. In shaping nationalist feelings, or nationalist, just mark nationalist. Then come to the next paragraph, nationalist, see the word sentiments. I am repeating once again, second line, culture, art, poetry, stories and music played an important role in shaping nationalist, next paragraph, second line, sentiments. Put a dash. Artists and poets criticize the glorification of reason and science. Next page, page number 14, right over there, and emphasized on first line, emotions, intuitions, mystical feelings, right over there, folk songs, poetry, folk dances. To second line, now come to the second line, to create a sense of collective heritage, last line, as the basis of a nation. Example, right on the next line, example, put a dash, German philosopher John Gottfried Herder Example, German philosopher John Gottfried Herder claimed that true German culture was to be discovered among the common people das Volk through songs, poetry, and dances. Full stop. Second point, emphasis right over there was on, right? Encouraging. Was on encouraging. Same line, vernacular language and collection of local folklore. Not just to recover ancient national spirit, but to carry modern nationalist message to large audiences who were, see the word, illiterate. Next point, example, right over there, example, point also, example also, in, same line, Poland. Page number 15, we are talking of the third line, children, sorry, fourth line. In Poland, no, don't write in, example, Poland was, right over there, was partitioned, same line, by Russia, Prussia, Austria. Right over there, it, same line, no longer existed as an independent nation. Independent territory is given over there, make it nation. Right, yet, same line, national feelings were kept alive through music and language. Example again, Karol Kurpinski celebrated, same line, opera and music, folk dances like Polonaise and Mazurka into nationalistic symbols. Next, third point, next paragraph. Language too played an important role in developing nationalist sentiments. After Russian occupation, the Polish language was banned. Was, right over there, banned. Was banned. Full stop. Next line. Russian language was imposed everywhere. Right, but. Leave a line. Members of the clergy. Next line. Used. Used language is given over there, na? Right over there. Used Polish language. Used Polish language. Same line, as a weapon of national resistance for church gathering and religious instruction. A large number, full stop, next line, large number of priests and bishops were put in jail or sent to Siberia. Come to the next line, where use is given right over there, but use of Polish was seen as a symbol of struggle against Russian dominance. Full stop. Next heading, hunger, hardship and popular revolt. First point, 1830 were years of economic hardship in Europe. Put a dash. Next line, increase in population, comma, more seekers of job than employment, comma, population from rural migrated to cities, Right over there, led to overcrowded slums, full stop. Next point, small producers, same line, small producers. Next line, faced stiff competition from imports of of cheap machine made goods from England, where industrialization was advanced. Full stop. Next point, leave two lines. Next point, aristocracy enjoyed power, comma, peasants struggled. Right over there, one line, under such conditions. Same line, rise of food prices or a bad harvest led to widespread pauperism in towns and country. Pauperism means beggary. Led to widespread pauperism in towns and country. Full stop. Next point. Right over there, in 1848. Next line. Population of Paris. Right, came on the roads, comma, barricades were erected and Louis Philippe was forced to flee. Next point, National Assembly proclaimed France a republic, comma, granted suffrage to all adult males above 21 and guaranteed right to work. Right to work, right over there, for all. Full stop. Now this is one paragraph which we are going to mark, but as I told you all that the Silesia uprising, it hardly comes in the examination, but still we have to mark it. Okay, so right over there, next point. 1845, weavers in Silesia led a revolt against contractors who supplied raw material and ordered for finished textiles, but drastically reduced their payments. Leave two lines. Misery of the right weavers. Workers is there, make it weavers. Misery of the weavers was extreme. Was also, you have to write it down. Was, next line, extreme. Full stop. Next paragraph. On 4th June, large crowd of weavers, next line, marched in pairs to the mansion of the contractor demanding higher wages. Full stop. Next point. Next line, a group of them forced their way into the house, smashed furniture, next line, smashed furniture, comma, porcelain, comma, storehouses, and plundered the supplies. Full stop. Next point, next line. The contractor fled, comma, leave a line. He returned 24 hours later with, right over there, with army, and 11 weavers were shot. Revolution of the liberals, first point. Parallel to the revolts, please be careful. This we are talking of page number 17, Revolution of the liberals. Okay, I am going a bit slowly so that you all may mark it properly, children. Okay. Parallel to the revolts of the poor, unemployed, comma, peasants and workers. Whatever I am saying, only mark that. Otherwise, your thing is going to become so big that it will not be possible for you all to learn. parallel to the revolt, unemployed, peasants and workers, comma, 18 in, after that n is given over there only, underline n also. In 1848, a revolution led by educated middle class, right over there, also took place. Also took place. Full stop. Next point, next line. 1848 in France. In France, same line. Monarch is there, na, make it monarchy. Monarchy, right over there, was abolished. Was abolished. And a republic based on universal male suffrage had been proclaimed. This we have recently done only. That is, population of Paris came on the roads and barricades were erected. Louis Philippe had to fly. Okay, had been proclaimed. Leave a line. Next point, where Germany is given over there, write in. In Germany, Italy, Poland, Austro-Hungarian, two, right over there, two, T-O-O. Two, men and women of liberal middle classes. Next line, demand is there, make it demanded. Demanded, put a dash. Demanded, put a dash over there. Constitution, comma, national unifications, comma, come to the last line of the paragraph, freedom of the press and freedom of association. Next point, in German regions, put a dash, political associations, right over there, was formed of professionals, businessmen, artisans who came together in the city of Frankfurt and decided to vote for an all-German National Assembly. Full stop. 18th, next point, 18th May 1848, 831 elected representatives marched. Same line, two word is given, TO2. Next line, to the Church of St. Paul's, put a dash, drafted a constitution, comma, next line, headed by monarchy, comma, subject is there, make it subjected to parliament. Subjected to parliament. Full stop. The deputies offered the crown to Frederick William IV, King of Prussia, right, who, over there, who rejected it and joined other monarchs to oppose the elected assembly. Next point, same line, aristocracy and military, right over there, also opposed it. Also opposed it. Full stop. Next point, the parliament, right over there, neglected. Neglected. Come to the next line, demands of workers and artisans, comma, consequently lost their support. Full stop. Troops were called. An assembly was forced to disband. To disband. Full stop. This is your revolution of the liberals of Frankfurt Parliament. Now, over there only write the subheading women. Encircle the word women over there, or you may write it down. Women. Come to the third line. Page number 17, last paragraph, third line. Women had formed their own political associations, comma, founded newspapers, right organized political meetings and demonstrations. Despite this, they were denied. Page number 18. They were denied suffrage rights. Suffrage rights, and right over there, and remained just. Write this line, and remained just. See the third line, observers. And remained just observers. On the next paragraph, write over there, conclusion. Conclusion written over there, subheading, conservatives. Conservatives were able to suppress liberals, make it liberals. But, right over there, but, leave a line, realizes there, make it realized, but realized. On the next line, third line, realizes there, make it realized, and realized. Revolution and repression could only be ended by granting concession to liberal nationalists. Full stop. Next point, hence. Next line again, monarchies. Same line, began to introduce the changes that had already taken place in Western Europe. Example, serfdom and bonded labor were abolished. Comma, Habsburg rulers granted more autonomy to the Hungarians. To the Hungarians, full stop. Next, making of Germany and Italy. Heading part 4, page number 19. Come to the second line. Making of Germany and Italy. Nationalist sentiments, and right over the and. Again come to the next line, and state power. Now come to the next paragraph, second line. Nationalist sentiments and state power. See the word, last word, were. Widespread. I am repeating again. Page number 19, second line. Nationalist sentiments and state power. Next line. Come to the next paragraph. Were widespread. Right over there, in 1848. In 1848, among middle class Germans who tried to unite, comma, different regions of German Confederation into nation state governed by elected parliament. Right over there, but were unsuccessful. But were unsuccessful. Then leave two lines. You can see the word Prussia is given over there. Make it Prussian king. Next point, Prussian king. Same line, took the, right over there, responsibility. Prussian king took the responsibility for, same line, right over there, the national unification, right, of Germany. I am repeating the line. Prussian king took the responsibility for the national unification of Germany. Full stop. Next point, its chief minister Otto von Bismarck, right over there, started the movement of unification. started the movement of unification? Britain started the movement of unification. Full stop. Next line. Next point. With the help of Prussian army, right over there, he fought. Right, he fought. Next line. Three wars. Right over there, for 7 years. Defeating Austria, Denmark and France. Austria, Denmark and France, and was, right over there, was successful in the, see the last third line of this paragraph, second paragraph, and was successful, you have to write it down, and was successful in the process of unification. Full stop. In January 1871, the Prussian king William I was proclaimed German emperor in a ceremony held at Versailles. Leave the next paragraph completely. Come to the next paragraph. Third line. The new state placed a strong emphasis on modernizing the currency, banking, legal and judicial system in the government. Okay, till here we are going to do, children. Okay, please note down the all the notes. Okay, if by chance any confusion is there to you all, then you all can always see the video, or you can use your own discretionary power also to decide that what can be the right. Okay, while you're writing, you can yourself make it out. If there is by chance any word is missing, you can add that. Okay, so there is no problem. Okay, children, please do this work in your copy.